Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum cells by font color. Instead of boring techniques, download this free function library that contains hundreds of powerful functions. Please check the link in the description and install the add-in. Okay, let's jump right into the action. In the first example, I want to sum cells with blue font color. You can use the SUMBYFONTCOLOR function to get the result quickly. Add the first argument, which is the font color. After that, select the range you want to summarize. Press enter to get the result as quickly as possible. What if you want to summarize multiple ranges using a single function? Use the following formula. Type the SUMBYFONTCOLOR function. The first and second arguments are the same as the previous example, the font color and the range. To add more ranges, simply type a comma and add a second range. Press enter to evaluate the formula. The result looks good. Thanks for being with us today. For the latest Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.